Nice. Uy, NT Rex.
Oh, empty.
Quick out, okay. He's pulling out the quicks right now. Yeah, he's pulling out the
Wow.
quicks. He is pulling out the quicks.
What an ape.
Which can't see it.
Uy! 1-3 no?
No whiz. 2 out of 3.
Ay, 2-3.
What the hell? Sorry, stat trackers. I touched my mouse by accident. Mark break. Right, can you do the thing? Ikaw nga mag whistle muna. 5 seconds tapos whistle. May check ako sa rules.
Wow.
Ikaw muna magana kasi I'm checking the rules. Kasi may tinanong sa akin si Slime eh.
Sige lang.
Okay, ilan daw pwede, ilang beses
Please
pwede
receive.
mag-pinch serve.
Oh.
Nakalimutan ko kasi.
And. Nice.
Actually.
Oh. Oh!
Hindi pa sila nag-DS eh, no?
Empty.
Ang Leviathan.
Nag-whistle ako.
Hindi pa sila nag-DS. Correct break ulit oh. Uy, naglag si Juju. Ayoy. Sayang. Pag mag-rotation sila, hintayin mo muna. Tapos saka magbilang ng 5 seconds.
It's okay.
Inabis niya ngayon si
What?
si Keiko. Keiko still serving by the way.
Uh-huh. I can see.
Nice to see. Give him out, 7. Uy, QR pa yan. Okay, he tried the B1 block touch.
BT.
Si pa?
Wow!
Nice yun pala.
Tong
Sakto.
ina ni Juju. What the fuck?
Uy, bali, wrong score. Ay, sorry, Leviathan pala yun. Tama, sorry, my bad.
2.
Di pa nila ginagamit si Slime ah. 4. 8 by the way. Si Z ngayon yung nila, yung DS.
Nice. Middles.
What are
Okay.
these serbs? Sean! Sino yung isang middle nyo? Si Gallagher?
Sabi ni Lofo, yeah.
Sino yun?
3, 4, 5.
May partner ka na sa lib?
Ha?
May partner ka na sa ano, sa DS?
What do you mean partner?
Di ba libero ka? May DS na
Oh,
kayo.
walang DS, walang DS.
Wala kang DS.
Ayaw mag DS. Fuck no. Swang.
And then, low po now serving. And this is Rex pa. Rex. So, DS nila si Ice. Oh, dapat lang kay Ice Droner eh. Ice would have been good if he's... Oh!
Oh!
Slime wipe! Leading na naman sila. Break. Receive. Nice. Last touch.
Last touch.
Good. Ground C. Sa mid-longs lagi yung ano. Mid-longs lagi. Ina-obvious. Oh,
Wow.
Kaz, what a block. Tio.
Tio.
Smart use of Tio though. Two TOs per set, so they used one here. Kumakain yan, maririnig ko na naman itong mangunguya.
Taka na bro. Hindi ko makaubos pagkain ko eh. Tapos napa-ref na ako.
Okay. Low for they're smart. Who's Zol? Never mind. KTI. They're serve. Leviathans. Bola. Off.
Nagago.
Wish again. And
Oh my god.
that's a bad way to start. Sige lang. Nice set. 4. No BT. Not really kasi dead na yung ball. Chain. Nice QR.
Oh!
Nice set. Nice. Good receive. NC.
Bang. Mid trots rotating. Nice. Pin serve.
Okay.
Imagine nag-net to. Ooh.
Ooh. Pag patapos ni Slime mag-pin serve, lalabas yan siya, pasok si ano, si Adi. Yan, labas si Slime, pasok sa Adi. Ituro ko kay Slime yung ano, lineup ko sa
Nice block.
tawag na ito. Nice rec break. Kung ganyan lang sana mag-rec break yung isa dun.
Agoy,
Ayos.
naglalag si Juju. Normally nakukuha niya yun.
DS kay Ice. One SR. Okay pa, good. Pag nagdalawa siya, bawal na yan. 50% out rate. Okay ka na. Okay. Nice receive, Hadi. Nag-over lang. Okay lang. Nice. Nice set.
Oh.
Nice V1.
Nice receive.
Video mount. Nice hit.
Ooh, grabe si Rex.
Whistle. Winnable. Block out.
Oh, blocked out.
It's middles.
Middles.
Bilis nila mag-rotate, which is insane. Nice receive. Last touch. Empty.
Packed. Middles.
Hindi pa. Akala ko gamitin na nila agad yung pin server nila. May isa pa eh.
Nalabas sana si Slime. Kala niya siya na.
P1. Nice receive, Rex. Nice.
Nice one, Rafa.
Ay, oo.
What the fake?
Sakto. Nice. Perfect. Sama man si Slime sa
Swang.
pin server na agad. Can you stop QR receive? Nice receive. Break. Kuha ni Juju. Sabi na. And oy.
Packed.
Keiko. Sayang Keiko. Nice block. Nice serve.
Oh, services.
No block.
Nice block.
Nice ape.
Wow! Grabe si Rex.
Siya. Muntik na sana siya mag-LF.
Tang ina mo.
Not.
Scoring machine, bro.
Muntik na sana siya mag-LF.
Service error.
He touched the line, but not so much. Dapat kailangan yung may sliver of ano, kabila. Oy,
Empty.
masyadong mataas. May flow na si Curl tayo.
Nice save. What? Tangin.
Pinch.
Wait, whistle again?
No, wag na.
Ano? Okay.
Na-receive. Bag. I-abuse nila si Slime. Nice, Rick.
Oh.
Break. Kuha. Last touch.
Last touch.
Nice receive.
Nice receive.
Nice wipe.
Wiped.
NT
Oh
Lofu.
no!
NT Lofu. NT Lofu.
Lamaw.
Tabahan niya kasi. 6'4"
Lugi,
eh.
wala may quick step sa kanila.
Si Hadi. Hindi pala nakapag-isip si Hadi.
Guardian.
QR na naman.
QR.
Lifesaver yung QR na yan. G.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Sino nag-elef?
Who LF?
Wala.
No LF, bruh.